Anyways.
Are you guys gonna eat the pie?
Oh, yeah.
We forgot to do the
Should we try the mango pie?
I'll take this. Not so.
Why don't you guys half it
I'm
instead?
so full, what the heck?
You weak ass bitch can eat. So what are we doing? So we're saying Jollibee?
Who's queuing? Jenneia.
Hello? Yeah?
We're starting.
Dude, who's starting? Oh,
Start the harmony.
oh my god. We're a mess, yo.
Start the
You
harmony.
are a mess.
We're a mess.
You know, this should
We're a
be
mess.
Start the harmony.
Hello?
It's Jollibee, not hello.
It's Jollibee!
We're saying Jollibee.
It's Jollibee!
Jollibee? Jollibee?
Okay, we're done! Thank you!
He fucked up.
Okay,
Hello, everyone.
hello everyone, today...
Hello?
Shh.
Fake!
Wait!
Okay, we should probably.
I lost my tempo.
Wait, make Mo do his thing and then you can talk.
Yeah, shut up first.
Okay.
Wait, see, I lost my voice.
Fake ass.
And take.
Hello everyone, today we're back with another video. Right here I have with me my friends back from high school.
Christine.
Harry.
And
That one friend.
and here's our one friend from
Mississippi.
Mississippi.
The one friend from Mississippi.
Okay, so today we're gonna...
Yeah.
Well, you know it's Minnesota. Mexico. It's our one friend from Minnesota.
Okay. We're good? Okay, so today we're gonna try mukbang.
Bomb.
Mukbang. Mukbang.
Bro, I'm not even eating anything, yo. What the heck
You
am I
need to
doing?
eat it.
I'm just gonna watch them eat, yeah.
Eat with your eyes.
Okay, so we're gonna try mukbang. What do we have here? We have spaghetti, we have pie, we have chicken, we have tons of gravy, and what is it? Burger and rice. Home cooked rice.
You look
Very
insane.
home cooked.
you
Look at it.
It's also very hard, but that's okay. We'll make do.
This is so fake.
You know, I think this
Do it for the video.
was a bad idea bringing Jenneia in on this video.
Oh, you have to say that it's Harry's first time.
Oh yeah, the Korean.
It's my first time.
Okay, so our Korean friend is right here. It's his first time. He never ever ate Jollibee before, and Christine here has.
Tried some of it, but not everything.
Bro, you
Okay.
haven't tried all of it? What's wrong with you?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so
Come on, hamburger. That's my that's
I feel like it's more of an
favorite.
appetizer.
Tasty.
Okay.
Appetizer.
Okay,
You know, you should use
the beauty.
thing.
Do the beauty shit.
Your girl's
Okay.
favorite is the hamburger.
We got the cheesy.
Oh, and by the end of this video, Christine will do a Dalagang Filipina challenge.
It doesn't look that bad.
Okay,
I'm just gonna
Look at this.
sit here and
Okay,
watch
no,
you guys eat
no,
my
okay, so-
favorite, like,
okay, so
from
no, the challenge is.
Jollibee.
Okay,
I'm done.
That's right, you are.
just give the burger a rate from 1 to 10.
Visual wise, it looks like a 3 and a 5.
For me, it doesn't really.
It just looks like a burger.
It just looks like a burger.
Help!
Okay.
I'm about to f***ing sin.
Oh my god.
Sorry, Filipino people. I'm gonna enjoy
Oh my goodness. You're triggering all the Filipinos here. AKA everyone except you.
Does it taste better with
You should
it
try
or
it.
without?
I'm good, thank you.
Do it, Kristine.
It's okay.
The
Do
Avenger.
it, Kristine.
Oh my god.
You know when they dunk the baby, like the
Oh,
baptism?
no. not that bad. I like
Oh
it.
my god.
I think I like it with the gravy.
I
Gravy?
just taste gravy.
What? Tastes good.
I'm almost done.
It tastes good.
I'm almost
Harry
done.
is currently dipping his in gravy, which I don't recommend you guys to eat at home.
It tastes
I don't even know why I'm
good.
saying you guys who's
Please
gonna watch
don't.
this.
Please don't.
It's
We're
like
gonna
Please
watch
don't.
this.
it's
Oh my
like
God.
eating
So
a
to
sandwich.
find out-
Breaking
While you're watching
all the
this,
laws of physics.
To my 46 subscribers, thank you.
and I'm one of them.
It's like eating a sandwich with chips. It's like that. But
This really reminds me of home.
Yeah,
It's very simple. You guys are done already?
yeah. You talk too much.
Okay, what's next?
You're so slow, Mo.
wanna do,
Just
As
so
per
slow.
usual.
wanna do spaghetti?
So we're going like this?
Okay, yeah, because this is usually the dessert.
Okay.
Okay, so spaghetti.
Oh no.
You want to try? Do you guys want to try with the chicken?
Sure.
Should be good with
Or
the
maybe
chicken.
we should try chicken first and then with the spaghetti.
Wow.
Okay.
Daddy.
It looks pretty appetizing.
Yours look messed up.
My own?
Look at this.
They both
Dude, let's do
look
like,
as
let's do like the beauty
they're
products.
just as bad.
If you spill your spaghetti.
No.
Not on the phone, please.
Yeah. Well, I don't think Harry's gonna be too surprised about the spaghetti because it's
Okay,
just
now
so
here's the
spaghetti.
chicken,
The bucket of chicken.
the bucket. We got the
Chicken
6-piece
joy.
bucket. This
It
is
looks
like
good.
this is like $12, right? $12.
So
Oh,
good.
and this
Okay.
is $5.50,
$5.50.
and it
Yeah.
came with a drink.
Y'all chose
There's
to
only 5 of them.
Oh, I stole one earlier.
Oh,
You
I'm like, I was so ready to fight the lady.
Hello, Jollibee. I only received like 5 tickets. Where's my 6th one?
Where's the 6 piece?
So can I get the second one?
Yes, because I
Okay.
just want one.
Just rate it from 1 to 10.
The spaghetti or the chicken?
Spaghetti.
Okay,
Okay.
so we mix it.
Do we mix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause you know some people they don't mix it, but it's better if you mix it. Cause like
You're a monster if you don't mix it. There's something wrong with you if you don't mix it.
yeah, what she said.
So if I eat it without mixing,
I'm not even eating anything. I'm gonna get like Nutella or something like bruh.
what the hell?
It's all the way up there.
What's that slurping sound?
It's Jenneia.
Hello? The
Yo,
girl is back. With her own mukbang.
Okay, so Harry just had his first bite. Christine,
It's pretty good.
is it good?
It's pretty good.
yeah.
I give it like a 7 out of 10.
Oh,
Just-
that's high.
Just the thing with the spaghetti here, it's the hot dog is not like the same
As Philippines.
as Philippines' own.
It's not as sweet as I thought.
Really?
Yeah.
It's American hot dog.
It's
Never
It's
mind
American
that. What
hot
the hell?
Oh,
oh my god.
I am disgusted.
Okay. Wait, the gravy.
What about it? Are you putting it in the spaghetti?
no.
I am disgusted.
Because I
So Harry,
contaminated mine with the
this
burger.
is what you do. You drink it.
You drink it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a tradition.
What the fuck? It's
You
like
have to
taking
like
shots.
after you're done, you have to down it.
The rest of it?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's not too bad, I guess.
Yummy.
You look so sad.
Whatever works. We
Good. What's up, guys?
So we finished the food and then leftover we shake.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, it's whatever.
So whenever my mom makes Filipino spaghetti, you don't like it?
I force myself to enjoy it.
Oh.
It's like in general.
Okay.
No, it's like
Oh
in.
yeah, next time you're not invited to my birthday.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, see, in general, I don't like Filipino spaghetti because I always eat like the Italian version, and I always expect it to be like savory. So I eat the spaghetti, and then all the sweetness hit me. I'm like, wow, this is not what I expected.
Wow.
So how's the Jolly spaghetti then?
I mean, I expected it to be sweet, but since I put my
not that
expectations
sweet, right?
high, and this is low sweet, it's not as bad as I thought. So, it's pretty good.
Okay. You guys want to try the chicken?
I mean, no.
Sure.
I'm down. This is crispy as it's falling apart. This is crispy.
Oh my god.
I can't take myself seriously when I do that.
It's funny though. Yeah.
Let's try it without.
actually.
Oh my god, I'm glued to Harry's face.
Oh.
Chicken.
Oh!
See,
Not really a fan of chicken.
do you understand what all the hype is about? I'm just.
It's good.
No, because Korean fried chicken is pretty good as well. Like, damn.
Like Vaughn's.
I think Bonds is good.
It's pretty good.
Not gravy.
Yeah.
This is how I
The
do.
chicken chili and the gravy is like the best thing from Jollibee.
Ooh, I like it. It kind of reminds me of KFC.
Really?
Yeah, like original.
The Jollibee's more like
It's like less oily.
Yeah, that's oily. I was gonna say.
there's a distinct flavor.
It kind of tastes like KFC, but there's something different about it. Maybe it's not as much spices. 'Cause I know KFC uses that.
I'm enjoying my Nutella, thank you very much.
Do they have Jollibee in your area?
No, bro, this is Mississippi. What do you
She's in
think?
Yeehaw land. Of course there's
This is yeehaw. Please, white people, don't kill me. I'm surrounded by you all day. Learn how to make some stuff, and then I'll come back home and then make it for you guys.
Okay.
You better.
You better.
You say this and then you never come.
Yeah,
You're never gonna come back. That's why.
This one time. Wait, tell that one time
Oh.
One time.
when we all hanged out.
Oh yeah.
Then Jenneia said
So
she was
there is
gonna
this one time we're all hanging out at Kristine's
Oh.
house, and then me and Mo was there, and we were waiting for Jenneia to come. And she said she'll come around like 5 or 6 p.m. It's like 8 p.m. and then she messages us.
Never
And she's
comes.
like, "Yeah, I don't think I
That's
can
like-
go anymore."
So I was left with these two.
Nah.
I can't wait.
I mean, did you have fun?
No.
Okay.
She's sleeping while Harry is singing to her.
That was the best part.
That one video.
Momo, when is this video gonna come out? In June?
Maybe.
Hit the wall.
Oh yeah, hit the wall.
Yeah, you gotta do
Are you
it.
guys done?
Let me throw it. Ready?
I mean, I'm not done with my second.
Don't
one.
I'm gonna
What?
throw it. Ready? And go.
Throw it.
Okay.
I love bush cutting.
I was like, who's farting?
What were we saying?
Okay, throw it.
And okay, we should keep eating. Oh my gosh, you're so fast.
I don't know.
Harry could. Oh.
Oh.
What's this?
I'm gonna take you fast.
Oh, it's a cowboy hat.
I'm gonna
Oh.
run till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. My stock is a 10.
No.
What is that?
I love emo. So I am undeclared, but I'm thinking about being an English teacher. So I might do English, or I might be a music teacher. So I might do music. It's one or the other.
Ooh! Are you gonna go into music? Hello! Yeah, let's go!
Oh boy.
Let's go! Let's get it!
Oh boy. I'm gonna die.
Kristine, your turn.
I'm taking accounting.
Wow. Can you do my taxes?
Oh, yeah.
That's like the most popular.
Yeah.
That's like the most popular belief when you're in accounting. Do my taxes.
Taxes. Yeah, my
Do
mom even told
do
me
my
to
rent.
do it for her already. Like her and her friends.
Please do my taxes. I'm too lazy.
How about you, Jenneia? What's your major?
Hi, my name is Jenneia De Castro. Let me start it again, okay? Hi, my name is Jenneia De Castro, and I'm a music major specializing in music education. I'm gonna be a choral teacher like Miss Sablon. Yeah.
Wow.
What the hell am I saying?
We always thought you were gonna.
Actually, Harry, if you're gonna become a music teacher, then you have to major in music and then specialize in music education.
That sounds so hard.
Are you taking the courses yet?
Not yet.
Why are we talking about school?
Yeah.
Because
But
we
we
need
have
something to
nothing else
talk
to talk
about.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Y'all got anything juicy?
Juicy, like
Yeah,
what?
what's juicy?
Juicy in your lives?
This is
This
gay.
chicken joy.
It's been a year since we saw
Yeah, it's
Harry.
been a year since. It's
Are
been a
you
year
serious? How long?
A year.
A year. You haven't even.
No way. No way.
That's right.
The last time I saw Harry was when I went to UOG.
That was nice.
Even Kristine, I don't even see Kristine. I mean, I see her, but like,
And I live like a floor below him.
yeah,
That's kind of sad.
it's so weird.
I realize that I'm looking at Jenneia for the most part, and I'm just like glancing at the camera here and then.
I mean,
Yeah, there's a camera there.
Dude, I'm a-
Now you know.
I mean, it's not like I could talk to the audience. They can't reply back to me
Reply back to Harry, guys.
unless it's like
It's
live.
okay.
If it's live, no one will be watching.
Exactly.
This is true. That's true. We're too boring anyway.
Sorry, Mo.
Alright, I'm gonna promote this well on my social media.
That's gross. I swear to God. Give us a shout out so we can earn some followers.
Does that
Oh,
even?
shout
that why you're here?
Fucking here.
Subscribe,
She got quiet.
like, and subscribe to E Square. You have a YouTube
Follow.
channel too?
No?
No, she has an Instagram page for beauty.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that makeup.
I'm gonna plug it in for her.
Oh yeah, Kristine.
Watch Mo
Follow
play.
Looks by Christine.
Is that what you think of
Looks by
me?
Christine. Looks by Christine. She does
Yeah.
makeup.
Oh, so
So
also
messy.
follow Jenneia De Castro on Instagram up
What?
here.
Defined.
Define.
So find her,
Underscore define
follow her,
underscore.
comment mean things, and then unfollow
It's
her.
disgusting. My account doesn't reflect
Do it.
how I act personally, so
Uh-huh.
Oh sure.
uh-huh.
You silly goose.
That's true.
I haven't said silly goose in such a long time.
You just said it now.
Oh my God. When are you guys gonna visit? Okay, tell us a story of how we all met.
Oh,
I don't.
that's
Well,
that's a good conversation.
Okay, so it was me, Mo, and Jenneia. We all met in
Elementary.
elementary school.
Did we talk to each other?
No. Wait, no.
No.
Jenneia used to like punch me.
In the face?
I was a mean person back then, okay?
I
Like,
mean, you kind of
changed.
still are, but
I was a mean
Nothing
person.
changed.
Like, I hated guys for some reason, for no reason at all. Like, and I was hella ugly. I still am, but you know,
I was gonna say.
I was more ugly then. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie.
yeah, I guess.
Anyways.
I think I remember playing Beyblades with Harry.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
Mario Kart.
I like
What
that.
the?
Right?
Dude, that was lit. We got that trash can.
Yeah.
and then we flipped the lid over.
Use the trash can lid and
The
then
trash
you
can lid, and
Yeah.
we just. It was so fun.
Everyone was too lazy to bring their own stadium. That was fun. And I played Pokemon.
Good time.
And I think what else
Simpler
I did?
time.
Mario Kart on the DS. Bro, that was lit.
Yeah. And Harry had you had shorter hair back. Or
I have super
Do
long
you have a
hair.
picture of her?
No, please don't find
not
it.
the yearbook.
No,
Put it
don't.
in
do-
Insert it right here.
No.
Put it right
Insert it right here.
Okay. In the count of two, we're gonna do it. Okay.
It's like a
One,
Super Bowl
you know,
cut.
Okay.
1, 2.
No.
Show yourself in the camera. Okay. 1, 2.
Yeah.
Jesus, I hated myself as a kid.
Oh my God.
And Jenneia had
Don't say that, Harry.
No, it's like so.
Stop.
This is something
Okay,
I
there's
realized.
different versions of me throughout each grade.
I never met you in middle school. I went to a different school.
Where'd you go from middle school?
Yeah.
I went to Harvest.
I went to Jose Rios. Mo went to the Philippines, and Harry went
Harvest.
Harvest.
The good
No,
boys
we
school.
talked online. We talked online. Me and Harry, for some reason, we just talked. I'll show you. I
don't remember.
that.
Show some
I'll show
screenshots.
you. We talked like out of nowhere. Out of nowhere.
you guys
I
had
don't
a
know who
thing?
messaged who first.
You guys had a thing?
Online?
What?
No, we just messaged each other. We just talked.
Huh.
Like for no reason.
I don't even
Oh.
remember.
I wonder what the combo says.
It was just like
Maybe it's about
it's
anime.
cringy stuff because we were like hella young, we were weird. Well, we filmed together.
Probably. I don't even remember.
It's some cringy shit, like, oh, like...
I can't. Hurry.
So this is what it looks like. It looks like a regular apple pie, but inside is mango.
Like
peach.
an apple pie you get from
Mango.
McDonald's.
You know what?
Smell
Yeah.
it.
Yeah!
I'm gonna try it anyway.
Okay.
Oh, I like that. It's flavor.
Ooh.
Okay, let's do an ASMR.
That is disgusting. What am I hearing?
I can't even do it. Here.
Y'all are weak at.
Get him, cowboy. I think I like this more than apple pie.
Yeah, because it has like the different flavor than apple.
Don't get me wrong, apple pie is really good, but this is pretty good too.
I mean, Jenneia, stop.
Man, I love how
Hashtag
you're so
Nutella sponsor
including.
me.
Look, are you recording? Wait.
Are you okay? I'm slowly killing Mo.
What the, did he just choke?
Yeah, kinda. That's my special power.
I'm gonna save this.
Hello?
Yo, I'm full.
I'm not.
Did you want?
A little bit. You know, you should make the ending of the video just me eating everything else.
Oh, there's another chicken in there.
That's so.
Oh,
You want it?
I'm giving him my leftover
Put it
chicken.
in the bucket.
That's how I used Harry in high school. I give him my leftovers.
Alright, collaborate.
It's like a vacuum.
Harry would get my leftovers. I
No,
don't.
Harry would get your food.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Food.
Not leftovers.
Then he'd give me the leftovers.
leftovers.
But I know you like this part, so I left it.
Like, I remember that one time I had a tinola.
Tinola.
Canola? Y'all need help. Y'all need Jesus. Holy.
Wait, which one's that one? Is that the...
It's the one with the chicken.
Oh, I like that one.
The one with the soup and the. What's the English version of the
Soup.
Tinola.
Stop! Shut up, Jenneia.
Canola?
Even across the ocean, she
Bro, I
climbs
can't.
As I was saying, Harry freaking left the chicken bones in there.
Canola.
this. Oops.
So
You
much.
opened your lunch
I
pail
opened.
and there was
I opened my
tinola.
lunch, then all I see was chicken bones. So, how am I gonna eat this?
Make a roux.
Oh, true. Make chicken stock.
Stop. Whatever.
Wow, thank you. I'm healed now.
What am I listening to?
Wine glass with his freaking cat.
He's dying.
Yeah.
Where are you from? You and your
This is the
tinola.
only. Oh, fucking job.
We are slowly killing you.
Don't choke, bro. I swear to God.
Slowly but surely.
Still recording?
I am a Korean
Korean
boy.
food
Hello.
is usually savory, right?
Savory, spicy, and sometimes sweet. It's mostly that.
I'm not complaining.
Yeah.
I miss tteokbokki. Can I have some, please?
No.
Should be a
Back here.
My mom loves that. Your rice cakes.
If you come back, maybe I'll make it.
And you have to make us the
Mother-
barbecue or whatever you were talking about.
Southern home style Southern barbecue with dressing and. All my Mississippians will know what dressing is. It's not a sauce. Dressing is an actual food.
Dressing?
I was thinking that you
Yeah,
put ranch
it's
or something
Nah,
on
dude,
your
you
barbecue.
cut up pieces of clothing and you barbecue that.
No,
You guys usually eat it with salad or?
We'll see.
Coleslaw.
Dressing? No.
What food is dressing? Like,
It's like, okay, it's like you get like chunks of
Beef.
turkey
Oh,
and the inside of a turkey, which is stuffing, you just take that out and you bake it and you mix like turkey with it
So it's like
and then you bake it and that's dressing. That's what dressing is.
so it's like a meat pie.
It's hard to explain. You know what? Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. All my Mississippians, all my Southern people will know what it is. Don't wrap your heads around it. They were like, "Hey, Jenneia or Faith, you want to try some dressing?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure."
Okay, we just asked what
It's
dressing
not a
is.
sauce. It's actual
It's just
food.
that one statement, Jenneia. Faith.
What?
you could just say turkey with stuffing.
But then you said like an
I'm
entire.
sorry, okay? It's like it's a really interesting topic to me because like, wow, I didn't think it. You know what? Let's end this video, guys.
Yeah,
End
let's
this
go
video,
to
guys.
that.
I have 10 minutes to
Video
do
on a
like
happy
And you have
before
your
I have to
paper,
start doing
what
my.
you need to do.
Did you guys end the video already or not? Are you just gonna like
You don't have to.
talk about?
You don't.
I like it.
Okay, so I
So-
want to go to sleep.
What else? Oh wait.
Okay, goodbye, guys.
No, there's so much
Bye.
scared.
That's not how you end a
I go
video.
to sleep. So thanks for watching.
Christina's gonna do the
Like and
dragon video.
subscribe and comment.
No, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Also, where
Christine, do the challenge.
with me?
I don't even know what
So
this
you saw the
is.
video? Remember the video that Mo sent with that person going on?
Oh no, I haven't watched it. I saw the thumbnail. though.
Wow, he didn't watch it.
A lot of the things you guys said, I don't look at it because I'm scared.
Oh, here's a...
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang
Right there.
dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang
What is she?
isang babae. Di ko malimutan ang kanyang
You're gonna do that?
imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di magkakali.
Send in the group chat.
Okay, so is that how we're ending this?
Do it, Christine.
Yeah, that's how you end it. Do it.
Yeah. Oh, I was just treating it as a joke, but if Kristen wants to do it, then no.
No. She's gonna end it.
Annyeong.
Annyeong.
Bye-bye. Did you like it?
I like Jollibee. It's like soul food.
How is it?
It's good.
Oh wait.
Taste wise, it's pretty good. Appearance wise, it's wet.
How is it?
It tastes good. It tastes good.
ASMR.
Are we doing ASMR? Okay, I got this. It tastes good, guys.
You know what that's gonna sound like up close?
It's gonna sound like all of our voice recording.
Oh yeah, I got it. Is it like this distance?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. It tastes good, guys. I like Jollibee.
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Wow! Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Ay, nakita kong isang babae. Di ko malimutan ang kanyang imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? Ako'y di magpapali. Gustong hawakan ng iyong